I am the stone that the builder refused. I am the visual, the inspiration that made ladies sing the blues. I'm the spark that makes your idea bright. The same.
Hey, what up, my guys? What's going on? Welcome to today's video. Going to Callie's house. Well, first I'm gonna go get some snack because her dad just got her freaking McDonald's. So, you know, we'll have to eat together later, Callie. But I'm gonna go get my favorite steak sandwich. So it's all freaking good, you know. But yeah, we're gonna do some audio install today. Much needed upgrade for Callie's Subaru because her radio is fucking shot. Things like that's gonna happen. If you're in that mindset, like I'm gonna lose it. Move your hand. Yo, what up, G?
He's not happy.
See, that's all we needed to do. Alright, just walk and see if he follows you.
He won't.
Yeah, he will.
Stop! Pay attention! Whoa! What if I went flying?
Feel the torque, Callie!
You know, my parents must see I'm freaking... Oh, there's a whole truck. No, Damian, I'm gonna fall! Ignore that. Your roof is especially...
Eggs to the base. Bass.
So I can use my bass boost EQ?
No, you won't need it because the speakers are going to sound good.
Are they actually?
These won't. That's why I'm doing the radio first so I can see what these speakers sound like with that radio and then putting the new speakers in.
Oh, we're going to do like a before and after?
Mm-hmm. We'll show them the OG before.
Here, I'll show them.
Just turn your key.
Sorry, I just have to flip through all my keys because I'm rich. Wait, move. Oh, there it is. Move. That felt good.
That felt good. Do it again. Yeah.
Oh!
Tell your boys what you've seen.
I like how we've made like no damage to the thing.
Put it back in.
Shout out to Kenwood.
Put it back. Imagine it works now.
Oh my god, I would die.
Okay, things to note. Whoever did this before thought this was a house, so that's not sick. We'll be fixing that. Old radio. Take it apart. New radio. Actually, let me open this one. I haven't even opened the box yet.
Oh, we replaced the whole thing?
Yeah.
I thought we just put, like that whole thing, I thought you just pop it in.
Oh,
like...
God, no, Callie.
Oh,
it's the whole radio.
That's good.
Yeah. So we got some carbon fiber johns on this. We got the little slide jammy. I like it. So I usually will cut all of this stuff off and like splice the connector so that like this isn't here, because usually when I get these types of connectors it's shitty and there ends up being pins that are wrong. But basically all you're really gonna do is look for red, black, and yellow. So I'm assuming, yeah, 12 volt constant, ground, and switch power. So that'll get the radio turned on, and then you know, all these paired wires. This is gonna be your memory, then the rest is all speaker wires. So pretty easy stuff. Okay, so I got the main power wire. That's that. Right. So I'm gonna crimp all these and then probably hit them with some electrical tape just to keep them there. Shout out to Callie's dads for the dads.
I only have one.
Shout out to Callie's dad for the little crimp connectors, but a lot cleaner than it looked before. And then before we do anything, where's the ground? Right here.
Dope.
Yeah.
That's just
I mean, that's just like an extra ground. You don't need it, but now just to test it.
I'm scared.
Make sure that this works.
It's not on.
It should be on, see? This is why we test. So we're also finding out new things, such as the main power for the radio is not getting any. 18 different colors. Alright, Callie fixed the radio.
I didn't fix it, I just looked it up.
Yeah, she needed a friggin' clock fuse or whatever. So Callie's setting up the Bluetooth right now, plugging out. Do you have the commuter on there? Of course you do. Shout out to Cove Speaker. Oh wow, you can't see that. It just looks white. It looks white.
It's cayenne.
Alright, wait, now I can do this.
It still looks white.
So there we go. Only difficulty we had with that was just that one fuse. Now everything works like a freaking charm. No problem. Really good. So I got the door off. Some brand new scronies on there. Okay, so we have this Kenwood. You can do the next one.
Oh, I can do it too?
Yeah, you can throw the next one. But I got the mint one in here. Imagine I threw a good one by accident.
Ready?
Did I hit the garbage?
Yeah, I threw it in the garbage.
I got that one on. Callie did that door whole thing by herself. Look, come here. Lift it up. Down in the front, look.
This is the heart. Oh.
And then slide it in.
Oh.
There you go.
That makes sense.
Well, you're mint now.
Ooh, just push it on.
Yeah, give it some, you know. No, go all the way up, see if it dims.
It turns me on to know I turn you on.
Bitch, you can have that shit with a motherfucker.
Well, mint, very good. Extra nice and done. Hammer throw. Woo! Now you do it. Hammer throw. Oh, at least you caught mine.
It's the easiest way for me to throw it.
Okay, I'm done with this. Callie has murdered a succulent. What do you have to say for yourself?
You know the ones at Lowe's are painted?
Are they really? Yeah. That's
like all
bullshit.
the like blue and pink and whatever cacti. Murdered.
Murdered?
Paint. I need more pumpkin seeds.
You need what?
I mean sunflower seeds. I need more because I lost all mine. Sunflower. Morning glory. Heavenly blue.
Oh wow.
If you get enough of these seeds from your morning glory plants, you can hallucinate. But you can also die.
What the hell's wrong with you, Callie? No drugs in this family.
But you can die. That's the thing.
Yeah, okay, so let's not die. Actually, you know what? I've lived long enough.
When
I like
you
those.
fuses and end up with razors
Oh,
and
fuses. We need fuses
and
now.
sunflower seeds and morning glory seeds.
We need cucumba. Oh, good thing I brought up one of those things, huh? I didn't really have, you know, crazy ass shit to film today, but parts are coming in for the Z. So, you know, if that's what you follow me for, you I guess wait until that comes out. If not, you know, whatever. I'm just filming what I film, alright? I've been having a dope ass freaking time these last couple of weeks. Spending mad time with Callie, having dumb amount of fun. And I understand some of you guys aren't here for that. So, for those, peace, I guess, whatever. Or I'll see you when you care. But to those who do care that, you know, I'm having fun, you know, I'm having a good time and enjoy watching that kind of stuff, let me know. I'll keep posting it. Regardless, I'm going to keep posting it. I genuinely don't care anymore what I post, so I guess you guys will see what you guys see. If you guys see it, I'm out. I got to stop fucking doing this and driving and turn off this light before I get arrested. Peace out. Subscribe if you haven't seen it.